Welcome to Smithsonian Kids. This is a great site to begin lessons with a little content knowledge that's fun in a way that is enhancing an engagement. So first I want to talk about the volume control, which is down here in the right corner. You have an up and down arrow. It is pretty loud, so we're going to keep it at one volume right now. The site is very easy to navigate for all ages. You have each tab, which comes with its own sound, as you can see. Heroic, fast, athletic, cool, colorful, beautiful, patriotic, ancient, and fun. So, we're going to give a little example with the Heroic tab to show you some of the functions.
In 1969, U.S. astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. He wore this spacesuit. Without it, he wouldn't have survived for more than several seconds. It was bulky and tough and made of 25 layers. It protected him from the near vacuum of space and the extreme range of temperatures on the moon.
So, as you can see, when you click on one of the tabs, it opens up to a little vignette about Neil Armstrong and his spacesuit. It reads the caption for the student while they have the ability to follow along on the screen. As you can see right here, you can follow along with your mouse while they read. Other functions that the site has are a zoom in and zoom out function, so that you can look more closely at the images that they're talking about. It's a great way for students to engage after listening to the initial caption. So, as you can see, we just zoomed in. You can click and drag it around to see all the different points of our spacesuit here. And as you can see, these little bubbles here are extra facts about losing weight in space, having the right size suit, can you give me a hand, and a man on the moon. It's a great little tool for kids to further engage with the content knowledge before going deeper into a history or social studies lesson. Further, there is a Smithsonian connection here where we can click. It brings up a little fact about the museum itself, where it says here, after the Apollo 11 mission, Neil Armstrong's spacesuit was donated to the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum. You can still see it there today, along with the Apollo 11 command module, Columbia. So that's the site. It has all these little tabs for kids to explore. And they can use this send e-card function to share their experiences with friends and parents so that they can have a view into what their students and their kids are engaging with in the classroom. Alright, that's Smithsonian Kids. It's a great little tool. I hope you enjoy using it. Have a great one.